Ibe Valentine. Good morning, brother. I greet you. Because I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Jpac okwani ono. Jpac okwani ono. Zijenu Jpac ozia. Dalo King Santiago. At least thank God no when them will idea if a Jpac mission no Jpac ni hu akwụkwọ. You other go? Happen Jpac because no gbaga no na if onwere uwe pụta na Facebook bịa na akogeri. Bịa na akogeri. Afun video mail. Yeah? Ochogo kita ako osukosia nde lo choosing. Nde kerifa na akpọ ha. Nde lo choosing and nde Zion. Ko se to awori ha niile kwakosia isi ono. E other go number 1. Then number 2, ochogo ko wola idea we instigate nde lo choosing. Ko we man nwere ife nde lo choosing nwere ike ime. Yeah? Amoromo ụbọchị ndị mmadụ ya aghọta na as far as ihu akwụkwọ adụ concern, the men somebody who an agent of disunity among the Igbos who Jpac. I don't know when our people are really going to understand that na Jpac who is bota agent of disunity among the Igbos. Agent of disunity. But the simple message for Jpac this morning is that Lazarus Mmoka is not Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Go and ask questions. Go and ask questions. Lazarus Mmoka is not Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Go and ask questions. So no cho wherever na ala, onwere ebe unu ya welu ala una afu nke toro biati. Unu ya emecha no wa chopụta na Ebuka Obi so na the most Ebuka Obi so na the pastor enwe na Nigeria ka we nwezigbo obi adho vindictive in nature. E other go the level of things unu committee against Evangelist Ebuka Obi me quarter of it na ebe pastor Lazarus Mmoka no. E other go ko unu mara na mmiri ọkụ na egbumbe. Go and ask questions and people will tell you. Go and ask questions and people will tell you. This was how you people started with the Zion. Ndị mmadụ chekwu na egwuregwu before mara ife na-eme unu see from ife unu na-eme about Zion bawa into personal lifestyle of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, unu bawa into personal lifestyle of somebody called allegation Bobble. That was what brought about all the arrests they make and even more akaye make in future. So if you want to test the patience of Pastor Lazarus Mmoka, I want you people to level the quarter of allegation level against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Level 1 here, nebe Mmoka no. Kono mana mmiri ọkụ na egbumbe ko na mmiri ọkụ ahụ egbumbe. You want to go? So you can come out and start comparing because no just na trend. Those are just trend. Uno just na pupụta something on a trend. I know that you people ekwensu ye megido na ife kwagido na aka kwapụta uno ewe gbagota to level 2. Ono kano level 1. Remember that those days mbono kano na level 1 nebe nde Zion no. It used to be peaceful message. You want to go all message of peace. Kana enyunu those days. message of peace. Unu we nwike we kwanku we bata na level 2. Ono bata na level 2. Akana enyunu message of peace and love. You want to go we lu mbom bata zina level 3. We ma na enewu unu ndona before na elu level 5 ni fe ye maybe. A Wesike teach you no lesson with the language you people will understand. And Jpac, do very careful, very soon you will go in. Remember that Senator Patrick Evanyo banners here. Remember that your savior is no more alive. Eba in this time around. Nigeria ya do Ghana. You what na? Ino cha so ebe nwanne na nwanne ya da no